And I guess another thing that inevitably happens in any technology project where there's changes, as you as a business start to learn what's possible, you start to come up with new ideas and thinking, oh, it'd be really good to do this. And then most of the time you get into this change management problem where your supplier comes with your contract and says, oh, but you said this is a change, lots more money, it gets really complicated, you start arguing about things and you start to fall out with your supplier.
Yeah.
In terms of being able to learn about what's possible and then incorporating new bits in, what was it like dealing with Avrion as a supplier? Because this is where a lot of businesses have absolute nightmares with suppliers on this sort of technology.
Well, I think it's important to say that the relationship with Avrion wasn't just a supplier. It was more a partnership. And like I said before, with Avrion, they take the time to learn what you're doing. So as you're going through all those, it's always the case. You start off with a scope, with a spec of what you want. And as you start to go through this project, things will change because you start to unravel other things that you didn't think were there that needed sorting. So the way they handled that was exceptional because it was always working together. So if you come up with this doesn't work here, it will be how can we fix that scenario? So yes, it is always a scary situation to be in, but with Avrion, it was, like I said, it was more like a partnership. So they're always willing to help us change and progress going forward.